Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Log Cabin Firewood. So I brought a tote over here. I'm gonna set that over by the conveyor. I'm gonna throw my bundle splits, barkless, skinless, in the tote. Everything else with bark is going in the trailer. Let's do it. Perfect timing, Rooster. So in the last video, we went through and bucked up a good bit of this maple and gum. There's some white oak in here, and this is all going to still become my food. I still got to do 2 cord for my wood to replenish what I burned this year. So I mentioned in the last video, I asked the viewers, you guys, if you thought getting slab wood would be a good idea. I appreciate the good chat on that. I appreciate the conversations. There were a lot of good ideas and, you know, good thoughts on that. So that's awesome. Thank you guys for the interactions and the engagement. First things first, I have to drag this tote over here to the splitter. And then I'm going to do something that I've been neglecting here lately, and you probably heard it when I was dumping the loads that I got from Chaz and from Funk. We have to grease the trailer. Safety first. Got the truck and trailer underneath the conveyor. Knock on wood, it works again today. But I realized that my batteries were dead. I didn't charge them last time, so I brought out the Oupes portable charging station, and this thing's been awesome. I have not charged this since probably Paul Bunyan, and it's still at 86%. Now I only use it to charge my batteries because my truck's port for the little cords won't stay on when the truck's not running, and it's nice. This thing is almost like a fast charger. All 3 of these batteries will be charged in about an hour, which is super cool for me. Good thing I brought more than 1 can of fuel. I didn't realize how empty the Axis was. has a bunch of bugs in it, so this is going to become boiler wood, and I'm throwing this in the cookie bin. Stuff is wild how it shreds. This is good old sweet gum. Well guys, it was a very productive morning. We got all the rounds cleaned up that we cut yesterday on last video for you. We got, I'd say 3/4 of one side of a tote full with some good boneless, skinless, barkless stuff. We got another half tote full of cookies, and some of this stuff just had bugs in it. I didn't want to stack that up with my good wood, so we'll let this sit over here and continue rotting away and then throw it in the boiler. We got a good load in the trailer. I could have probably pulled up to even this thing out. My guess is there's probably a good cord in here, maybe just shy of a cord. But it's a good mix of gum, maple, white oak, and I already said maple. And that gum, man, that stuff sucks. Having the single knife on the Axis, this thing just powers right through it. But I guess next time we will get cutting into this stuff and get it cleaned up. There's a good bit of cherry in here, so I'll have to pull the cherry tote back up here and split some of the nicer cherry pieces into it. And then we are going to move the 9/16 and the conveyor down to the bin that we made the neighbor. And all this junk over here is going to become his heat. There's a good mix of poplar and I don't know. I think this is a silver maple here. I think, and I don't know what this barkless stuff is. I can't really tell. It might be, I don't know. We'll have to see when we bust it open. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this. And what do you guys think? I think the Axis with the conveyor right next to it works perfect. Let me know in the comments. Take care of each other, and I'll catch you on the next one. I forgot to come over here and check this. Let's see here. We got 2 of 3 charged, and we're still at 84%. So I guess it's a little over an hour to charge those things because I've only been here for maybe an hour and 15 minutes. See ya.